Monitoring the condition of an asset to ensure its proper functioning and prolong its life is a bit like monitoring a patient. In this sense, Stelar should be seen as a medical record for industrial assets. Just like a patient, an asset has a history in the form of plans, reports, and work done. Stelar allows you to retrieve this data and collect new data from sensors or from your existing software. Stelar also gives you access to a mobile application to collect measurements, photos, and inspection comments via dynamic forms. This data is centralized in the asset file and is cleaned and structured to facilitate health studies. You will finally be able to find and consult comparable information to develop your strategic asset management planning. With these calculation tools, Stelar processes your data to know precisely the real condition of your assets on a continuous basis. You will have access to a user-friendly dashboard that allows you to follow the evolution of standard and specific indicators to your needs. Based on this information, you will be able to decide at the right time what interventions to undertake to improve the condition and risk rating of your assets. Stelar is thus a complete and structured medical file to maintain the health of your assets and extend their lifespan in complete safety.